Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today, we'll talk about, understand, and learn how to overcome the fear of abandonment and loneliness. Buddhist wisdom says, "He who no longer fears solitude is never truly alone." Each of us has felt that cold touch of emptiness when someone we love leaves, or that strange moment when even in a crowd, we feel invisible. The fear of abandonment is a quiet companion in many relationships. It hides behind a smile, behind the need to be perfect, behind constant activity, just to avoid emptiness. But this fear is not about others. It's a reflection of how we relate to ourselves. Because a person who feels peace within no longer fears being left. Imagine a small child waiting by the window for their mother to return. Minutes pass slowly, and pain rises in the chest. When the door finally opens, the child runs forward and silently promises, "I never want to be alone again." That promise stays with us, even into adulthood. And later, when a partner replies late or turns away, that same old fear awakens. We begin to adapt, to hide our truth, believing that honesty might push someone away. But paradoxically, it is fear itself that creates distance. The more we fear losing others, the more we lose ourselves. Now, what is the Stoic view? It is called inner certainty. Epictetus said, "We do not lose things. We lose peace when we believe they belong to us." No one owns another human being, and no one can give us the worth we deny ourselves. A Stoic would tell you, sit in silence and say, "I am here, with myself," without escape. This simple act strengthens your foundation, and then you realize no one can abandon you because you are no longer lost. From the Eastern view, it's called acceptance of emptiness. In Buddhism, emptiness is not nothingness. It's the space where new life can grow. When you feel alone, don't resist the silence. Close your eyes and breathe. With every inhale, let light enter. With every exhale, release fear. Loneliness is not an enemy. It's a teacher showing you where you forgot to love yourself. When you accept solitude, it stops hurting. It becomes a temple where new strength is born. Indigenous wisdom speaks of reconnection with life. In many ancient cultures, A lonely person never closed off. When sadness came, they went to water, to fire, to the forest, not to escape, but to remember they are never separate. The earth breathes, trees listen, the wind whispers. You are part of everything. That is the medicine no therapist can sell. The knowing that you belong. Try your own small ritual. Sit on the ground, place your palms on the earth and whisper, "Thank you, that I am here. I am not alone now." Practical guidance. Stop running. When loneliness comes, don't reach for your phone, for work, or for food. Just stay. Just breathe. Emotions come in waves. They are not your enemy. They call for awareness. Strengthen your inner certainty. Each morning say, "I am here for me." Touch your heart and feel it. Relationships begin inside you. You cannot expect others to fill you. If you keep emptiness within, be with nature whenever you can. Walk, listen, breathe. Let solitude turn into presence. Try this exercise. Meeting yourself. Sit quietly. Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Place your right hand on your heart, your left on your belly. Feel your breath. Whisper, "I am here. I am safe. I am enough." If tears come, let them flow. They are not weakness. They are your soul. Finally, being heard. Stay a few minutes, then smile, because you've just spent time with your best friend, yourself. And now, the final thought. No one can abandon you if you stand firm in your own center. People may leave, situations may change, but the peace within will never leave you. Loneliness becomes a gift when you meet it with an open heart. It's the space where wisdom, creativity, and courage to love again are born. So when you feel emptiness, sit, breathe, and say, "I am not alone. I am part of life." As the Zen saying goes, he who has found home within himself will find it everywhere. Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey, a journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.